Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Wild Royale mode in CookieRun OvenSmash. And just a quick heads up, the game isn't available here yet and to some regions until the 23rd of April, so this will help you get ready before it drops. Now, Wild Royale mode is basically a Battle Royale style mode where multiple players fight it out, and the goal is to be the last cookie standing. It's all about survival, smart positioning, and picking the right fights. When the match starts, you'll spawn into the map and immediately begin collecting resources, power-ups, or buffs scattered around. These give you an early advantage, so make sure you grab what you can as fast as possible. Now here's the most important part. You don't always want to fight right away. Early game is more about staying safe and building your strength. Avoid necessary fights unless you're sure you can win, because getting eliminated early means game over instantly. As the match goes on, the playable area will start to shrink, forcing everyone closer together, and this is where things get intense. You'll need to position yourself carefully, avoid getting caught in the bad spots, and look for opportunities to pick off weakened enemies. Another key tip is to always be aware of your surroundings. You want to keep moving, check bushes or hidden areas, and don't stay in one place too long or you might get ambushed. And in the final moments, it all comes down to decision making. You need to stay calm, don't panic, and focus on outplaying the last few opponents instead of rushing in blindly. So, yeah, that's how you play Wild Royale mode. Loot smart, survive early, position well, and take fights at the right time to be the last cookie standing. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!